And here's my issue. I've got power on to the car. This PATS light, I guess is what it is. The passive anti-theft system is blinking. When I put the key in the car, in the ignition, there should be a dinging, and there's not. I go to turn the car over, nothing. So I think it's the PATS system that has gone off. Maybe the key doesn't, the key is not being recognized or something. I don't know. Anyway, that's the issue. Okay, I'm going to try to explain what went wrong the other day. As you can see, I have all the fuse boxes opened up. I have the wires to the PCM. They're connected again, but they are loose. The orange and purple, or the green and purple wires, are loose at the inside of the car. The solenoids back over here have been wired up, but now the grounds are gone or have been loosened. The relay for the purge solenoid is been disconnected. And all the wiring, as you can see, has been pulled out of the console and has been disconnected, as well as disconnected all the heater. Well, you can't even see it. But anyway, here's the fuses. So I've disconnected all the fuses from the heater as well. So there's nothing attached nitrous-wise to this car. Okay, I will test the fuses in the side junction box. Light, light, no light, no light, 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 nothing, 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 nothing. And the ignition switch is on. There's power coming from the battery, and the battery's fully charged. I've had a maintainer on it the whole time. Nothing there, nothing there, nothing there, nothing there. So I'm not sure. Okay, so it's time to start troubleshooting this ignition system. What I have is like it's from startmycar.com or whatever, a picture of both the SJB and the regular main fuse box. And what I've done is I've identified the fuses that could cause the ignition switch not to function. I've turned the power on the battery, so we have electricity. And our first system we want to check is SJB6 for, and then the ignition here. So 6, and we have, oh, okay, so I'm not paying attention. So we have electricity on both sides of 6. We have electricity on both sides of 4. Let's go to the ignition. We have no, oh, but we have power there. So that means that this fuse right here has got to be bad, because we had power over here, we had light. We have light over here on either side of the fuse. We got light here, but we don't have light here, which means that this part of this fuse has obviously blown. So what we will do is we'll pull it out. I say that. Oh, I'll come over here to my mess of fuses. We're looking for a 25 amp. Nope, a 20 amp. 20 amp fuse. My few part of my thumbnail back doing that. And they're all kind of color coded. So this will definitely be a 20 amp. I'm going to come back over here. Put this fuse back in where it came out of. Push it into place. Looks good. Come back. Power the car back on. Come back. And remember, we had power on this side, right? Yeah, and we still do. And now we have power on this side. So that was probably our issue. Let's jump back in the car. And remember, when we did this, we had no lights. We had just the flashing patch light. No bells, no whistles, no nothing. And I think we fixed her. And there we go. We have electricity to the switch. Well, that was a quick electrical troubleshooting lesson. We knew that the ignition switch was being affected. No electricity, no power. We started on the inside of the car. Guess I should have started on the outside, but who knew? Did find a bad circuit inside the car. Found we replaced the fuse, and that made no difference at all. So we found a corresponding circuit out in the main fuse box. We had power going to one side but not the other. We pulled the fuse. I did see a little black spot on it. Replaced it with a known good fuse. Applied the power, and there you go. We have an ignition again. So the next step is to go ahead and put back what I undid. Hopefully we won't cause a short in the ignition system this next time. I also have a fuse block, a true fuse block, instead of just a power block. So I will be putting that in instead of just the power block. And hopefully we'll have our nitrous system up and running again in a little less time.